Hello friends, in this video I will explain you how to download Neet UG 2024 admit card from NTA. This is the official NTA website to get the Neet UG 2024 admit card. Here already I have marked with the red color. Here you can see, click here for admit card, and also there is a public notice to see the details how to download admit card. Okay, when you click on this admit card link, then this page will open. Here you should enter Neet application number and student date of birth, and then enter this security pin. That is these digits you have to type in this box. Then click on submit. Then the student admit card will be downloaded. Okay, then you should take the printout and fill all the details on admit card and keep it safely to bring to the Neet UG examination. Here you can see this is the public notice. In this they have mentioned that this year more than 24 lakh candidates are applied for this Neet UG 2024 examination. This examination is going to be conducted in 557 cities throughout the country, including 4 cities outside India on 5th May 2024 Sunday from 2 to 5:20 p.m. according to Indian Standard Time. Here you can see this is the tabular format. In this also they have mentioned the same. Okay, so students, please follow the guidelines how to download the Neet admit card and then keep it safely and fill all the details. That is, you should affix passport size photograph and left thumb impression and then postcard size photograph in the specified space. And it is better to take at least 3 to 4 copies of admit card, and you should affix photographs and thumb impressions at least on 2 admit cards, because if any damage occurs first during the traveling of examination, then you can utilize the additional copy. So that you should take at least 3 to 4 copies of admit card. Okay, and also I request you, please check your examination center at least one day before. I hope you got the idea about how to download the Neet UG 2024 admit card from NTA website. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Here I am doing Neat videos even in Telugu also from Menlo Tutorials. If you like to watch in Telugu, you should subscribe to Menlo Tutorials also. Okay, this is my paid Telegram group. In this Telegram group, I will guide you during the Neet counseling and CUET counseling. So if you have any doubt, you can get the clarifications, and even for paid counseling also, I will help you. So you please contact me only on this Telegram group. Here you can see the link also. The same link will be available in the comment box and also in the description box. There are 3 plans: for 15 days 300 rupees, for 1 month 600 rupees, for 6 months 3500 rupees. First you should join at least for 15 days. If you like my services, then you should continue, otherwise you can drop at any time. Okay, I'm not insisting you, just if you are interested only you should join. Okay, so if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box. Definitely I will help you. Please like, share my videos. Thank you.